How to link PayPal to eBay. Hey everybody, if you guys are wondering how to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you. So in order to link PayPal to eBay, you can only use PayPal as a payment option if you are a buyer. So if you're a buyer, open up the application, and once you open up the application, you will locate up the product that you would like to buy. You may just go ahead and find the specific product. For example, if I would like to buy the specific product, so you can head over to the product, and once you head over to the product, just go ahead and add that product. Tap on buy it now, select up the quantity and everything. And once that is done, you can select the option called PayPal. After that, just go ahead and check out. Just go ahead and review the order, tap on pay with PayPal. After that, you need to provide in your details in order to link your PayPal to your eBay, and that is it. But if you are a seller and you're looking to use PayPal, you cannot directly link a PayPal account to eBay for receiving payouts as a seller, since eBay transitioned to its own payment section in 2021. Sellers receive payments directly to their linked bank accounts and not through PayPal. So you can just go ahead and add up your bank account instead if you are a buyer, but if I mean seller. But if you are a buyer, you may just head over and follow up these steps in order to link your PayPal to eBay. And that's it. So therefore, that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.